Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Python Brains. Hope you all are well and study well. In today's session, we will learn how to write simple Python program and if program. So, before starting this video, if you have any doubt in Python syntax, Python fundamental, how we can declare variable, what is the syntax of if and if else, then please watch all my previous videos from this channel. Now we start our today's session with one basic program. So my first program is simple interest. How can I calculate the simple interest? In mathematics, we know that for the simple interest, we need three things: principal, rate, and time. So three inputs I need. Okay. So I declare principal, rate, and time. Three variables. Using input method, I'll just take my input. What is the meaning of this float here? Because we know that input method always accept a string value. So now, how can I calculate the multiplication and division operations on string? Okay, so that's why the string value, I need to convert that. So this float is here a type conversion. So whatever the value you enter here, that is automatically by default in a string format, and this float function convert your value in a float. So here I input my first principal amount, then interest rate, then period in years. Okay, so three input are there: principal, rate, and time. Now, what is the formula of simple interest? The formula of simple interest is principal times rate time divided by 100. Okay, so here I just put my formula there in a proper format, and then I store my value in a interest variable. My final answer is stored in interest variable, right? So I print my output with a simple message, simple interest. This is a simple program, the basic program of Python. Okay, line by line, every line executed and prints output. So once I run this program, then what happened? First of all, on the screen, the message is there: enter the principal amount. Then user enter the principal amount. Similarly, enter the interest rate. Enter the time periods in years. So user enter all the input. After that, once the user enter the year and then press enter, then automatically using this formula, my simple interest calculated, and with this print statement, output is printed there. So this is a simple way how we can write a simple program in Python. Okay, because you already learned the what is operator, how we can use operator. If you are having any doubt in operator section, then there is a separate video of operator, Python operator, on my channel. You can watch it there. Okay, so if you know the basic operators, then you can apply any mathematical operation there and calculate your values. Next we have in this the same program, but in this I am using eval function. Now what is eval function? Eval function is a evaluate function. So if you don't want to use any int or float here, okay, so you can use eval here. Okay, so whatever the string value you input here, that is evaluated, that is converted in evaluation in this. So same method we use for input and everything, only we write eval here. Okay, same formula, same print statement, everything is same. Only what is the difference between in the previous program and in this program is, in that program I'm using the float function, and in this I'm using the eval function. Hope this program is clear to you. Next program is swap two number. What is the meaning of swap? Swap means interchange. Interchange the value of two variables. Now, I can write this program in two ways. Okay. In two ways means what? I just want to swap my two numbers using third variable or without using third variable. Okay. Now I have two numbers, x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 10. So what I want that y is equal to 5 and x is equal to 10. So I'll just take one variable temp and I'll just shifted the x value to the temp. Now x is blank. Okay. Now y value to the x. Now y is blank. Now temp value to the y. So by using third variable, this is a simple way how we can swap my two numbers. Now I am using the print statement for printing the value of x and y. So this is another simple program of Python that how we can swap two variables. Next, one more simple program for you, how we can convert temperature from Celsius to Fahrenheit. What is that? Simply, we have a formula for this. Okay. First of all, I just want to input in this. I just want to convert temperature from Celsius to Fahrenheit means I just want to input my temperature in Celsius. Okay. I'll just input temperature in the Celsius. Then I'll just put a simple formula and store my value in a variable and then print my variable there. That's it. Now, what is the output of this program is enter the temperature in Celsius. So, whatever I enter, like 10, I just want to convert 10 Celsius to Fahrenheit. So, 10 Celsius to Fahrenheit, when I convert